From stone axes to nuclear bombs, weapons have shaped the rise and fall of civilizations. Let's explore the most powerful weapons in history. Stone axe and clubs, the first handheld weapons of early civilizations, simple yet vital for hunting and survival, and later for combat. Bronze sword, forged by the Sumerians and Egyptians, these were the first true metal blades, far stronger than stone. Chariot, born in Mesopotamia and Egypt, it revolutionized warfare with unmatched speed and mobility. Composite bow, perfected by the Hittites and Egyptians, it delivered deadly range and power, often from charioteers. Iron swords and spears, with the rise of the Hittites and Assyrians, iron replaced bronze, giving armies stronger and deadlier weapons. Greek hoplite spear, in Greece, phalanx formations armed with long spears brought dominance to the battlefield. Catapult, invented by the Greeks, this early siege engine shattered walls and fortresses from afar. Roman gladius and shield, standardized by Rome, these weapons defined Roman discipline and military success. Crossbow, originating in China, it was the world's first mechanical projectile weapon, deadly even for untrained soldiers. Heavy cavalry, perfected by the Byzantines and Persians, shock troops on horseback transformed medieval battlefields. Scimitar and cavalry sabers, spread through the Islamic caliphates, light cavalry weapons brought speed and maneuverability. Longbow, England's answer to medieval warfare. With deadly range, it turned battles like Agincourt into legends. Gunpowder, from China came the birth of explosive warfare, forever altering the future of weapons. Cannons, first in China and later in Europe, cannons revolutionized sieges, tearing down castles and walls. Muskets and arquebus, Europe's handheld firearms replaced bows, bringing the age of gunpowder infantry. Flintlock rifles, more reliable and powerful, they dominated battlefields for over 200 years. Bayonet, born in France, it transformed rifles into dual weapons, both gun and spear. Machine guns, developed in the USA and UK, they introduced relentless rapid fire and reshaped modern battle. Tanks, from Europe, mechanized warfare rolled onto the battlefield, unstoppable and armored. Poison gas, a terrifying invention of World War I, it marked the dark age of chemical warfare. Atomic bomb, created by the USA, it became the most destructive weapon in human history. ICBMs and nuclear missiles, from the USA and USSR, these defined the Cold War's global nuclear standoff. Drones, from the USA and Israel, remote-controlled aircraft brought precision strikes from the sky. Cyber and AI weapons, hypersonic missiles, the new age of warfare, where digital battles and high-speed weapons define the future.